Hi friends, if you want to create a high performing and creative website for your agency, I have a great solution for you in this video. I have 18 pre-made home pages with a single theme and all are highly creative, high performance websites that you can use for your creative agency, or even you can use for design agency, portfolio or related websites. And I have shown you some options on the screen. You can really see this wonderful design and explore the creativity. And I am going to explore and show you a theme that is called Naix. And Naix is a perfect theme for creative agency. It is a high performance creative portfolio WordPress theme that you can choose for your agency, and it has got 18 unique demos. Next, created 18 concept with modern and impressive design, focus on portfolio showcase and user experience. So it will help you increase the rate of interaction with your users and bring you more leads. Okay, so 18 options, I have shown you some, and we are going to create a wonderful creative website using this theme in this video. And watch this video until end. Don't decide the theme just by knowing its name. It is going to be a big mistake for you, because you never know what features actually you want at your website, and actually what is available inside the theme. Yes, Naix is a great theme, and it is a creative high performance portfolio WordPress theme, and it has been developed by Dr. Fury, and we have already seen some themes by the same house, Dr. Fury, and they are of course power elite author at the theme forest that is on Envato Market. They actually create wonderful WordPress theme, and this theme particularly Naix got 4.25 star rating by its user from the 649 sales. It is really great, and the theme came into existence in 2017, and the regular updates for this theme is also going time to time. So if you are looking for a creative and high performance WordPress theme, your search may going to end here. And the framework that has been used, I like very much, is Underscore. So it is really great. Technical advantages are here, and we have 18 options with this theme. So all good is here, but yes, we have to explore all the goods, and we are going to create a demo website using this theme. Okay, so very commonly, as we use the WordPress optimized hosting plan, and you can also avail the same through the WP Themes website. Link is in the video description, and you can simply install the WordPress core using the option called WordPress Manager by Softaculous. So I have already installed the WordPress core. This is core installation of WordPress, and you can buy the theme once you decide to buy the theme by following the video description link. That is an affiliate link of Envato Market, and you can buy the theme for $59 at Envato Market. And the benefit of following the link you'll get here at iCreate, we are going to help you in every manner in making your website live and up in no time. So this is a very interactive program for the WordPress website. You can join the program once you make a purchase through the link given in the description. It would be free for you, and you can even directly join the iCreate program. So it is totally up to you. And let us quickly start the installation to make this wonderful website. So in fact, we have 18 options. So what we can do, I have already installed the WordPress core, and this is core installation, and I'll show you the theme pack. Okay, so in the theme pack, we have this demo data either in XML, WIE format, documentation, licensing. Plugins are also here, some plugins. In fact, most of the plugins are included, and this is main theme file and the child theme file. So let us proceed for installing Naix wonderful WordPress theme for creative agency with high performance. Okay, so this is Naix.zip, and I'm going to use this So we can directly use the WordPress interface. Theme file size is really very small and it is a lightweight theme. We can directly go to the appearance, click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and in the downloads I have this naix.zip. You have to select only naix.zip. Don't try to upload the complete folder, it would be a mistake. Okay, so it may take a while in installing the theme, depending upon your server capacity. Okay, so it is not going through. Now I just click, I skip to click. The naix.zip is being installed, and I wish to show you how much time it takes actually in installing the theme. So it should be so simple. I'm not using the direct upload method, considering the theme file size is very small and it should work fine with the WordPress interface, and it is going through and it is taking a while. Yes, it is complete, and now it hardly took 20 seconds. Yes, so we can go to the theme page, and here is the Naix along with the default theme. So we can simply check the details. This is Naix version 1.5.0 by Dr. Fury. As on date, this is being the latest version with me. When you will order the theme by following the video description link through the theme forest, through the link given in the description, you might be getting an updated version of theme, but the installation process and the features will remain almost same. Let us activate the theme. Okay, so upon activation, we have this alert that we need to install certain plugins. So, okay, wonderful. So we have very less number of plugins to install. I can see 5 plugins are required. DRA Portfolio Management, Kirki is the framework, Meta Box, Naix add-ons, and this theme uses WP Bakery as a page builder, Contact Form 7 as usual, and 2 associates. So WooCommerce is also here, so it means the theme will support the e-commerce activity and variations such as associate of WooCommerce. So I am going to select all the 8 plugins to install. I have selected all and will try to install all plugins in one go. If it works, it will install all 8 plugins and we can proceed further while. Okay, wonderful. So I just shown you how fast really it is. It is the beauty of hosting plan that we are using, and you can also use the same. All 8 plugins got installed within few seconds, and now we can simply return to the plugin installer screen, and this is time when we have to activate all the installed plugins. I have selected all again, selected activate and clicking on apply. So it will activate all the installed plugin simply in one click. Okay, wonderful. So all installed plugins has been installed, activated successfully along with the theme. We can simply come back to the dashboard to check whether we have any further alerts. Okay, so this is some setup wizard. Okay, it is just a WooCommerce setup wizard. We can skip this because WooCommerce setup can go on later stage, and we are fine with the WooCommerce has been installed. I simply come back to the home page. I'll delete this one, and the home page will be, the dashboard will be here, and somehow my internet is not working properly. Okay, so we are here at the dashboard again, and we can check our website how it looks with the theme and all setup plugins. Okay, so this is the basic look, core look, and it is showing nothing as we need to import the demo content or create our own demo content at this stage. So as I said, we have 18 options, all good, and we can select any of these available options for importing the demo as per our requirement and choice, and we can proceed further for importing demo content. I'll find the option. Okay, so okay, yes, so here is the twist, and I cannot find the demo import option, and I believe we have to install a plugin that is already available in the theme pack itself, that is Su Demo Importer, and I'll go to the upload plugin again, choose file, downloads, next, and the In the plugins folder, I have sudo-demo-importer.zip, and I can simply install this plugin. Once installed, we can activate the plugin, and once activated, we can have this option import demo data here under appearance tab. So all the choices are here. We can select any as our upcoming website, agent, home agency creative, home agency digital. So I like this home agency creative very much. You can choose as per your requirement, as I said. So I'm randomly selecting this and clicking on import, and yes, so it is working, and it is working actually very fast. Imported so many media files in just few seconds, and the screen is saying everything what is going behind the screen. We have to wait patiently without disturbing the demo import process. It is working very fast, so we are going to get a complete website in no time. And now the image regeneration process is going, and around 200 something images is to be regenerated. It is going to take time. Of course, image regeneration takes time, but I believe demo content has been imported. Most of the demo content, we can check pages in another tab just in case. Yes, we have these pages, and we are good. So I will show you the website again just in case. Okay, so we have this website, and it is complete. While the demo import process is going on, image regeneration is going on, our website is here, and we can simply conclude that the installation remained smooth and successful. Okay, it is really great. So we can compare the this is the selection that we imported, and it is actually good. This is our website. Wonderful. In no time we got this creative website, and yes, of course, we need to go for some customization. I believe the demo, once the demo import process gets complete, the images, if somehow the image is missing, meanwhile the demo import is getting complete. I can show you the screen. Okay, so only 92 images are remaining. I can show you the tabs that we got in this installation very quickly. The portfolios being the main part of this website. This is portfolio agency portfolio website. You have to handle all the portfolio using this option, and you can edit the existing portfolios or create your new one. So I can say Visual Composer is not active, so you can simply activate the Visual Composer. In the role manager, go to the Visual WP Bakery page builder and go to the role manager, select custom, and portfolio product can be left, page can be selected, page and portfolio can be fine, and just save the changes. It will enable the Visual Composer on the portfolio section. I am just refreshing. Okay, so somehow okay, portfolio, why it is not here? I can check again. Okay, 70 images are still remaining. Okay, I am going to role manager again, and now some general setting, role manager, custom, page, post, portfolio. So I'm enabling all now just to make sure it should work on the portfolio page. So I'm now refreshing this, and still not. So I'm back on the same screen, and I am now clicking with edit with WP Bakery page builder. So it should work. Okay, so front end editor is working. Now I can check the back end editor as well. Yes, it is here. So you can simply edit the portfolio section using the page editor, WP Bakery page. It is going to be super simple. Just in case if you want to remove any portfolio section, you can do this simply by cross button, and on clicking pencil button, you can edit the content, of course. So I'll again show you the portfolio page. This is one of the portfolio page that had been made with WP Bakery, and you can edit the portfolio. So you have to very careful, because it is being the main portfolio website, and and you have to edit the portfolio very carefully. So portfolios is fine, and now I can see there is nothing like new tab. All these tabs are by default remains in the WordPress installation, and rest things are fine. So portfolio was the main section, and I can check the customize option just in case if there is anything. So the customize screen will give us some settings like general settings, like site identity we can set here, homepage settings we can go for homepage, or image sizes. So these are some settings in the general settings. Typography, again we have control of typography. Header section, in the header section we can upload our own logo, dark logo, light logo, and we can decide the logo width as well. Header layout, we can decide. We have multiple headers to choose with, and the sticky header can be enabled, or cart menu option is also here. And the menu sidebar is also here. Next, I can see the footer. Again, you can select the desired footer for your website. Blog, pages, portfolio are some common settings that you can explore and do as you need. Okay, so we have very simple control for this wonderful website, effective website. And okay, so now import is also complete. We created a wonderful creative website using this theme, and this theme comes with 18 home pages options. So needless to say, it is going to be a perfect choice. Finally, I'm going to show you how you can edit the page contents. However, it is very simple, and it can be done as in portfolio, as we seen in the portfolio section. Just open the page that you want to edit and click on the edit with WP Bakery, and it will be fine. So we can use the backend editor as well. You can change the text color just in case if the text is mixing with the black color, like if you want to change the header or like colors. So we have all the controls. Okay, so it is going to be super simple for you. Just in case if you need any support, you can write in the comment section of this video, and you can even get in touch with us using this I create and further mentor connect option. So we are here for you, and you can start building a wonderful and the creative website for your agency. You have 18 options, and we just created and explored all the options of Naix WordPress theme. This is our website we created in this video, and in the coming video I'm coming with more wonderful WordPress resources for you. Thanks for watching. Keep building.